The study of psychology takes us to exploring the miraculous brain and behavior. This is Dr. Nami. I'm a clinical cognitive neuroscientist, chair of the Department of Psychology here at Canadian University, Dubai. And the reason why studying psychology is so exciting to many people is that it provides us with a wide range of career opportunities and unparalleled future perspectives. And today, with the advent of brain and behavioral diagnostic measures and the use of neural technologies, students can find it even more practical to dive deeper into research and translate those insights into their future career. And fundamentally, a proper educational program provides the students with the opportunity to have hands-on training and hands-on experiences. In the field of psychology, observation is a key. And we provide this platform helping the students to observe their peers' performances, which is actually another level of experiences that many students are so excited about.
Yesterday, I was approached by a student and they asked me a question. Should I go with a BA or a BSc in psychology? And my answer to them, as it always is that there is no universal distinction between a BA and a BSc. Luckily, we offer both at CUD, but the distinction really lies in your individual preferences and passions. If you are more interested in the humanities and in cognitive sciences, then a BA is the right path for you. If you're more interested in research methodologies and neuropsychology, then a BSc in psychology is the right path for you. The fact is, regardless of whether you choose a BA or a BSc in psychology, both trajectories can take you to clinical psychology if that is the path you want for yourself. I'm Dr. Rheema Bahwaj. I'm a DHA licensed specialized clinical psychologist and an assistant professor here at CUD, and I look forward to welcoming you into our new cohort.